Hi everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be part number 10 from section 1 of chapter 10, which deals with how to checkmate and kill in the mid-game. So without further ado, let us analyze this position. Okay, it will be red's turn to move. Red would have a full guard, 2 chariots, 1 cannon for attack. Black would have similar material with 1 chariot, 2 cannons, 1 horse, 3 pawns and a full guard. However, the positioning of the black pieces are not ideal, and red can easily gain a huge advantage in this situation. Now, before you continue, please do see the video that was uploaded last week because it will contain similar themes. So in this position, the best move for red to make would be to play k5 equals to 4. If you have watched the previous video, red could now threaten to attack with capture the cannon and then play c2 equals to 5 for the win. Now, there was only one move that was given in the book, and I ran the position through my computer, and a possible line that follows would be k5 equals to 4. Let's say r9 equals to 8. Red moves the chariot away. This would be a double threat, as he would be prepared to play c2 equals to 5 and also threaten to checkmate. Black would try to free his chariot. c2 equals to 5, threatening. There will be two threats, two checkmate threats at the moment. One would be k4 equals k4 plus 6, and the other will be r7 plus 5. So black would defend against this. Red advances his cannon to prevent r4 equals to 5 from happening. Black tries to dislodge. Red delivers a check. And after trading away chariots, red will play r4 equals to 5 and r6 plus 3 to eliminate the pawns. Now by this point in time, red would already have a huge advantage. k5 equals to 4, threatening the cannon again. And this will be a very nice move. Now, black can only sacrifice the cannon, because if he did not, let's say if he tried to move the cannon to safety, red would play r9 equals to 8 to threaten the cannon and also threaten the checkmate. So as can be seen, at this point in time, red would have gained a cannon in the process and have a winning position. So in this board, there was only one move that was given, which was k5 equals to 4, and it would be the key to winning for red. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.